Master the magic of transitive phrasal verbs with matching exercises. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically transitive phrasal verbs. But we won't just talk about it, we're going to practice with some matching exercises. Before we start with exercises, let's refresh our memory about what transitive phrasal verbs are. A transitive phrasal verb is a type of verb made up of a main verb together with an adverb, a preposition, or both. Importantly, these verbs require an object to make sense. Examples include turn off, as in, I turn off the light, and pick up, as in, please pick up your toys. Now, onto the exercises. A matching exercise is a great way to practice and improve your understanding of transitive phrasal verbs. In these exercises, you'll see a list of phrases or sentences with missing verbs. Your task is to match them with the appropriate transitive phrasal verb from another list. Alright, it's time to get our hands dirty. Here are some phrases and a list of transitive phrasal verbs. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verbs. Phrases. 1. He was so tired, he, blank, the meeting. 2. I always, blank, my keys in the same place. 3. They decided to, blank, the project due to lack of funding. Phrasal verbs. A. Call off. B. Put down. C. Skip over. Now pause the video, take your time, and when you're ready, play the video to check your answers. Answer key, 1C, 2B, 3A. Great work today! We hope these exercises helped you in understanding and practicing transitive phrasal verbs. Don't forget, the key to mastery is practice. So keep practicing, and you'll have these down in no time. Until our next video, keep learning and happy studying.